In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a resource in Zoho Campaign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to save your new resource, so it's ready to use in your campaigns and booking workflows. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to your Zoho Bookings account. Make sure you're logged in with the right Zoho credentials and that you have the necessary permissions to manage resources. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main dashboard of Zoho Bookings. This is your control center for managing services, appointments, and related assets like resources. From the dashboard, look towards the top area of the interface for a plus sign, usually represented by a simple plus icon. This icon is your shortcut for adding something new. Click on that plus sign. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the correct section of the dashboard and that the page has fully loaded. Sometimes, zooming out slightly in your browser can also help you see the full toolbar. After you click the plus sign, a small menu or list of options will appear, giving you different items you can create. In that list, look for the option labeled Resource. This is what we want to add. Click on Resource to begin creating a new one. Once you click Resource, Zoho Bookings will open a form or panel where you can fill in the details of your new resource. Take your time here. Typically, you'll be asked for things like the name of the resource, any descriptions, and possibly settings that define how and when this resource can be used. For example, a resource might be a specific room, a piece of equipment, or anything that needs to be reserved or associated with a booking. Use clear, descriptive names so your team can easily recognize the resource later. Double check for spelling and make sure that any required fields are completed